Welcome to 10 amazing beauty hacks you need to try. In this video, we'll be sharing some incredible beauty hacks that are sure to simplify your beauty routine and help you achieve the flawless look you've. From natural makeup removers to simple techniques for curling your lashes, we've got it all. Whether you're a seasoned beauty guru or just starting out, these hacks are perfect for anyone looking to up their beauty game. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into some amazing beauty hacks that you won't want to miss. Use coconut oil as a natural makeup remover. Simply apply some coconut oil to a cotton pad and gently wipe away your makeup. Use a toothbrush to exfoliate your lips. Apply a small amount of lip balm to your lips and gently exfoliate them with a soft bristled toothbrush. This will help remove dead skin cells and leave your lips feeling soft and smooth. Use green tea bags to reduce puffiness. After steeping 2 green tea bags in hot water, remove them and let them cool. Then place them over your eyes for 10 to 15 minutes to help reduce puffiness and dark circles. Use a spoon to create the perfect winged eyeliner. Place a spoon against the outer corner of your eye and use it as a guide to create a perfect winged eyeliner. Use aloe vera gel as a face mask. Apply a thin layer of aloe vera gel to your face and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing it off with water. This will help soothe and hydrate your skin. Use a white eyeliner pencil to make your eyes appear brighter. Apply a white eyeliner pencil to your waterline to make your eyes appear brighter and more awake. Use baby powder as a dry shampoo. If you don't have time to wash your hair, sprinkle some baby powder onto your roots and massage it in. This will help absorb any excess oil and give your hair a fresher appearance. Use a spoon to curl your lashes. Hold a spoon against your eyelid and use it as a guide to curl your lashes with a lash curler. Use a mixture of honey and cinnamon as a face mask. Mix equal parts honey and cinnamon and apply it to your face. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing it off with warm water. This will help exfoliate and brighten your skin. Use ice cubes to reduce redness. Wrap some ice cubes in a cloth and apply it to your face for a few minutes to help reduce redness and inflammation. Remember to always test a small patch of skin before trying out any new products or techniques, and to consult with a professional if you have any concerns.